Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are going to solve this lab, and don't worry, this is a short solution, so let us start. So here I have already logged into the Google Cloud Console. I've also activated my Cloud Shell. So you guys just log in and activate yours by clicking on this button. So this is the code that we guys will be using to solve this lab. Don't worry, I will provide you all of this in the description. So now we'll just copy all of this, and I'll just restore my Cloud Shell and paste all of this code in it. Now we'll just hit enter, and it will ask to authorize, so we'll authorize it. So now once the commands are completed, we are done with this lab. There our commands are completed. Now we'll just head back to the lab and check our progress for all the tasks. For the first task, and there we go, you'll get a score without any issue. Then for the second one too. And now for the last one. There you go. You've successfully completed this lab in no time. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.